Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix iMessage activation error. So guys, when you have activate your iMessage or FaceTime on your iPhone and facing this type of issue that an error occurred during activation and try again. So guys, you can easily fix this problem and you can easily activate your iMessage and FaceTime. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back. So guys, after going to back, simply you need to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, if you have already connected, you need to click on your Wi-Fi and you need to click on forget this network and forget your network. After this, you have to go back, and if you are using mobile data, make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network on your device. And guys, after doing this, you need to scroll it down, click on general, and guys, you need to click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you have to go back. So guys, maybe there is a network problem, you have to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings from here. And guys, after doing this, you have to go back. So guys, you have to click on language and region and make sure that you have selected your region according to your country. And after doing this, you need to check your date and time, make sure that you have selected date and time automatically. And guys, after doing these settings, you have to scroll it down, and guys, you will see here is the option of software update. So guys, you need to make sure that you have update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, if you have already updated, simply you have to go back, and guys, now you need to scroll it down, and guys, from here you need to find your messages app. So guys, when you have click on this, here is the option of iMessage. So guys, simply you have to turn it on, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem and still having this problem, you need to open Apple Sport app here, and guys, after this you have to open your gadget. So guys, simply you have to wait for some seconds. So guys, as you can see here, you have to select your gadget here, and you need to scroll it down, click on more, and from here you need to find messages or iMessage or FaceTime. As you can see here, you will find FaceTime here, you need to click on this one, and guys, you have to wait for some seconds, scroll it below, click on call, and guys, you need to call at these two numbers and tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.